There are a total of 524 bridges constructed in Region 7, but here in Cebu, we have found out that a bamboo footbridge remains to be an agony in the daily walk of Barangay Guadalupe's resident, from which we turned on the spotlight. These are the residents living in the vicinity of Guadalupe River. For them to be able to get from one side of the river to the other, they have to cross a footbridge. But every time they do that, they feel the inconvenience. It's not their ability to cross the footbridge which is the problem, but it's exactly the destroyed footbridge itself. One of the residents, who is a fish vendor of the place, admitted to the investigating team that she finds it difficult to be crossing the bridge every day along with the fishes she sells.
Adire mong balay. Pero asa ka manguhag mga isda? Pasig. Sa Pasig. So adlaw-adlaw gyud ka mo agi diri nga kuan. Dili ko ante kay mo nag. Ha? Unsa ante kung kuan ka nang taas kaayo?
Ubog mi ngadto. Maguba na sa tayo, ubog na tayo.
Mumutuyok mo tay.
We also talked to some youth living near the river, and as students, they feel the gravity of the problem.
So pero mo adlaw-adlaw mo di mo gamit anang tulay.
Adlaw-adlaw everyday.
So perwisyo kayo na tulay. What if taas kayo makaadto pa mo sa inyong school?
Makaadto pa pay nangaon. Ang taas kay matas.
O taas kayo tubig ba?
Aw dili, maluyok ni dito sa layo ka tanan.
Pero mas layo kung manuyok.
Pliti-pliti para
But what's worse is that even young ones can be victimized by the danger that this footbridge can bring. Watch carefully this video footage. Whoa! 2 children almost fell. The student journalist asked the residents if it's their plan to construct a safer bridge. The populace answered that there is. In fact, it has been years that the construction of footbridge was planned.
Pero so pa man ako pa gibuhat kaya ni
Adjud kami ra bigahin mo na dinhi nagkuan na dinita ng mga helicopterin sila dinita na nagpuyo nga amo ra gi amot-amutan para makahimo.
There are just some legal factors that hinder the construction. What were those?
Kaya akong lalisan sa engineering kay kung mga siya deed of donation. Ngayon mo siya deed of donation.
Ang tagiya.
Di ang engineering. Katong sa city ba? Ngayon sila deed of donation sa tagiya sa Guadalupe side. Nanto na nang nasabitan siya mga documents sa Langog nga side. Paano na sabit na nato?
Man sa status na nakaroon okay na ba sa engineer nga kuan di na
Wala na problema.
The residents added that the bamboo bridge is already the 5th. The previous bridges were destroyed due to typhoon. The student journalists went to Barangay Captain of Calunasan, Eddie Mabano. He said that there's already an estimated 1.5 million budget for the construction. And in fact, the city government approved already the construction. The funds will be taken from the Cebu City Disaster Coordinating Council. Only that the Assistant City Engineer, Kenneth Enriquez, demanded for a deed of donation. Deed of donation would support that the lot which would be covered by the construction must be donated by the owner to the government. The student journalist then went to Assistant City Engineer Kenneth Enriquez to forward the residents' stand that nobody owns the lot except the government itself. But Engineer Kenneth strongly argued that there's an owner and that there should be a deed of donation from them. We went then to the city assessor's office to see who owns the lot. We found out that beside the river, the nearest property with the lot number 6282-B is owned by a certain Hermenegildo Trinidad. It was the same name that Captain Mabano revealed to us. Now, it is clear that he is the person we're looking for. We copied the tax declaration though there is no land title. We asked the Office of Sangguniang Panglusod to see if there is such Trinidad who donated his lot. Unfortunately, there was none when we consulted the General Service Office. The journalist tried to contact Mr. Hermenegildo Trinidad. His wife answered the phone and just said that they don't have any idea about the footbridge construction.
Oh, puno na lignaw niya. Kay kabalo baka ano mga unsa man?
Oo, mo lagi ma'am. Bayad na sa installment. Wala pa. So, among kuhan ni ma'am is, kay, tukuran mo guna ka ng footbridge ma'am ba? Niya ang assistant engineer ma'am sa kuhan, di sa may city hall, na nga mag-donation sa kay iya. So far ma'am, ikaw wala pa ka nakatawag yung donation ma'am. Pero di kang tataka ni Captain Final ma'am. Wala pa good.
Instead, she said to refer the problem to his son, Attorney Alan Trinidad, who managed all the properties. We refer the new name in the scene to Captain Mabano. Nonetheless, Captain A.D. Mabano promised the student journalist that he will resolve the problem as soon as possible. Captain Mabano, we are looking forward for the fulfillment of that promise.
Wa mo ko kalugar gani. Gusto ko sila Trinidad.
And together, let's put the spotlight to what is right. This has been your investigating team.